It's Friday, and it is time to work on the bug. You know, older cars, you forget about the little things you have to do. So today, I have had trouble getting the car to start, and with the fuel, fire, and compression, the 3 keys to engine. I'm gonna hit record on this too to have a little witness cam of what I'm doing. It's pretty easy. It's gonna be just, you know, battery stuff. Battery's all charged. I disconnected it already. So yeah, positive, negative. I'm positive that I'm negative. Okay, a little heavy, but you gotta be a little thin here to get this way. I a long time ago put quick releases on the battery terminals because I figured I've been doing this a lot. And so, let's see if I can get a good angle with this camera here somewhere. With the bug, the battery's in the back seat. Many people know that. And I had this idea a while ago to put a marine box because I've realized that, like, you know, the battery acid eats through the floor pans, and yeah, it's a thing. So with the battery box, hopefully it reduces the amount of acid that eats away at your floor pan. So we'll see if we can get this little battery in here. Again, oops, not too hard to do. So positive, positive, negative, negative, and that is pretty much on there. And this guy, same kind of deal. Let's see if we can. A lot of moaning and groaning. It's not that hard. Should have been done already. But I left the little cables on so that ideally I could leave it on there and charge it, but for some reason it didn't work. And that's the thing with old cars, is should work and it doesn't. So let's just quick check here. Oh, that's a good sound. And so, but you learn so much about mechanics and electronics and everything by doing this. So yeah, after that's done, seat goes back on top. Pretty easy. I got seat belts in the back for people who don't like to live dangerously, which is a good idea, put seat belts on. But then when you do this, you realize that there's other things you'll want to fix, right? It's like, oh, it's just a battery. You're like, oh wait, these window cranks they've cranked their last crank. So, but yeah, these little handles, they're super nice in that they're original, if you will, but you know, they're plastic. And this metal here, after a while, it just snaps off. So I'm gonna go inside. I got a shipment from Amazon. Let's see if they got this right. Or did they mess this up? Let's see. Yep, 4 window cranks. Here's the old one. Yeah, see, it just snaps off. And you know, these were $5. Half the time you go into a place and you're like, my window crank, and they're like, here, you can just have it. They don't even charge you. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, you know, you're in high school and you want to fix your car. You can't do it so easily anymore, right? When you're a kid and you're like, I want to fix my car. This just comes right off. And then hardest part is finding the part online. Whoops. Ooh, new screws. Fancy. Everything fits in the Hebular bag. If you don't know what Hebular is, you should look it up. Let's see. Yep, that'd be it. So this does not fit. Awesome. Wait, there it is. So it does fit. Just has to go. You gotta want it. Pretty easy, right? Like literally 1 screw. Hooray! And then because I bought 4 of them, they will all match. And I've been without window cranks for once. I don't roll it down, right? Just leave it because, you know, it's a bug. But I'm so excited that they fit because this is not the first pair that I ordered. I've ordered the wrong ones more than once. And then you get them and you're like, hey, the screw's not there, or something's missing. Every time. Oh, I just left it. I didn't even unscrew it. It snapped off and I was like, rah, just left it. Awesome. I was like, this is just gonna stay up. Yeah, these old bugs, you can modify them however you want. Add parts, change parts. They're great. And I have done this with this car, with these window cranks, mostly in the front, so many times. When I do this, then I should be able to, hooray, roll the window down. It's a little loud. Should be electric, right? Easy, easy. I don't know if it's the easiest thing to do, but it's up there. Oh yeah. And then that leaves that one. You know, the internals of this window has just always been so hard to do, and you lean over and you start cranking on it and then it just snaps and you're like, oh crap, and I didn't have an extra window crank anywhere. So I would just swap it out with the back one, and then the back one's end up being bad. But in reality, it's always this one that was the problem. And then you can't pop it off. Yeah, so now I have a spare in case it ever happens again. Which I don't think that the next ones will snap, because that was the whole idea, was that this is so flimsy here that it breaks. Like, this is clearly thicker and stronger than that, right? Surely that'll be, surely it'll work. I don't know. Until it doesn't. We'll try. Because, like, why didn't I do this before? Like, I replaced that one. Why didn't I replace this one? And if it broke, oh, maybe this guy broke. That's what it was. That's how you change window cranks on the old bug. So yeah, this goes up now. Really nice. And then down. We'll leave it down because do the whole please start. You know what I'm talking about? Because it doesn't have to start always. Okay, here we go. I put these aftermarket seats in there from, I think, a Saab, which is really fun, but sometimes it's in the wrong place. It's been sleeping for a while. It's okay, time to go. Here we go. Victory! That's what I'm talking about. It's pretty great. I'll be right back. There's a hill up here, and we're gonna see how she does up the hill. Oh yeah, like a dream. It really is so nice having your car work. Just get in the car and just go. It's awesome. Now I got windows in case it rains. I can crank them down, and yeah, love it. Whoa, see the rain coming? It's gonna be fun. Beetle time. It's a nice day for a little buggy drive. I think if I didn't have the constant power to the radio, battery will last longer. It's going great! So we're gonna head back, flip around here. Yeah, parallel parking, driving, learning how to drive stick shift. These are all like important things that you should do. And I've learned just from owning a car like this. It's really great. So they really do kind of sell themselves. Including this nasty driveway, being able to take it at an angle because the dip is so bad. Yeah, you will lose your car. But like I said, after all these years of driving a Bug, I'm not a problem with backing into a driveway. It's pretty easy. Got enough room for the wife's car. Otherwise, I have to sleep in the garage with my car. So yeah, totally successful. Little repair day, easy battery install, easy window crank replacement. And what's next? There's always something to do on the Bug. I think, well, what's next for me is, okay, this is an easy fix I did with this trunk it's supposed to have springs here, but there are no springs here, as you can tell. And I've been using the stick, and I'm tired of it. So I do have hydraulics in the corner, you can see I put in, but you know, hydraulics are only so good for so long, and well, they're gone. The pressure is gone, they don't hold anymore. So next time I'm going to, on my list of things to do, I'm going to pull those out, go down to, I don't know, some auto parts and get 10-inch hydraulics, drill those holes, mount them with the clips on, and then I can remove the stick I can relieve the stick of its job, which is great. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.